Hi folks, this is your second quiz. So this is your quiz on Newton's laws of motion, Unit 1, Chapter 3, Lesson 3. This one, if you look at question about Jessica comparing two balls, one ball has a mass of 1 kilogram, the other has a mass of 2 kilograms. She pushes each with a force of 100 newtons. How do the accelerations of the two balls compare? First thing you need to think about is which law of motion is this that involves force, mass, and acceleration. Once you figure that out, you will know that there is a relationship between acceleration and mass. So have a think about that. Which things accelerate more? Things that are heavy or things that are light? Next question, question 2. Fisherman stepping off a boat, which is in the water, into a dock. What happens? Well, if you've ever been on a boat and you get off, you push backwards on your foot. What moves? Only one thing moves. Again, think of Newton's third law when you answer this question. Question 3. Look at the diagram of forces acting on the object. The picture shows a push force and a pull force. What is the net force toward the right on the box? Your question for yourself here is, should I add or subtract? Question number 4. Two objects have different masses. When they collide, they move away from each other at different speeds. What is true of the forces exerted at the moment of impact? Think about Newton's third law of motion. Question 5. An airplane is traveling at a speed of 200 meters per second. A person walks towards the front of the plane. First answer. Are they walking faster than the plane or slower if they're walking in the same direction? Second, how fast is that person going relative to everyone who sat down? Relative to the other people on the plane? 6. Two equal forces act in opposite directions on object A. Two unequal forces act in opposite directions on object B. Okay, equal forces on object A, unequal on B. If these are the only forces acting on objects A and B, which of these conclusions is correct? Remember, acceleration can only happen if the forces are unequal. So we have forces acting on a running shoe. We have the force of gravity pushing down. We have the normal force pushing up. And then we have this force, which is pushing it to the left. If the force F is applied, the shoe doesn't move. What describes the forces? Remember, the shoe is not moving. So what must the net force be? I hope that helps. You may use this at your leisure to answer the questions.